Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon,
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
kami panalo, kampeon ng
The Enchants Games never ends dahil nandito na po tayo sa ating pangatlong laro for our opening day of Oragon Basketball League. It's the USI Falcons versus ADNU Naga University Golden Knights at makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante.
Magandang hapon o gabi rather, and it's still maulan outside and we are on the third game of the season. It's the USI and the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, and magandang bakbakan na naman yung naghihintay sa atin ngayon. And of course, live na live tayo ngayon dito sa Naga College Foundation covered court, also on GNN TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. And ayun na nga, maya-maya lamang ay makikita natin yung mga pinaghanda nitong dalawang teams na ito for Oragon Basketball League. And of course, yung mga players nila kung paano sila nabuo, dahil mamaya our courts and reporters will be giving us an updates about the teams. And of course, kung may makakasama silang coaches, malalaman natin yan mamaya din.
Pero sneak peek lang doon sa mga teams natin ngayon dito. Sa side ng USI Falcons, halo-halo na ito, the seniors and the juniors division. And also, may mga players din tayong makakasama na galing sa ibang teams. And on the other side, Ateneo Golden Knights, same players din yung makikita natin dito, same faces. But let's see if it is still the same gameplay na ipapakita nila dito for our Oragon Basketball League. And for our USI Falcons, titignan natin kung anong preparation nila for OBL. Andiyan si Chan. Hi Chan, take it away.
Good afternoon, Tin and Jasper. Panibagong liga, panibagong bakbakan nga ang ating matutunghayan dito sa kauna-unahang liga ng mga Oragon. And this is Chen Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter. And I am absolutely thrilled to be bringing you all the action from right here on the sidelines. Muli, may makakasama nga ako dito sa side ng USI Falcons. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let's have the assistant coach of the USI Falcons, Coach Pops. Ayan, Coach Pops, good evening po. Diretso na po tayo, Coach. So since this is your first season with the Oragon Basketball League ngayon, what's been the biggest adjustment for you coming into this new league?
Siguro mas dinagdagan namin yung effort namin sa every aspects ng mga details namin sa practice, kasi since may mga players kaming makakalaro dito na hindi lang coming from the collegiate, may mga ex-pro, may mga makakatapos lang din mag-pro. So mix yung team na makakalaban namin dito. Although sabi namin sa mga players, maganda experience to para sa kanila. So we need to stay ready every game.
And Coach, invite mo naman po ang ating live viewers na i-support ang USI Falcons para sa ligang ito.
So to all the supporters of the USI Falcons, ini-invite ko kayo na manood live dito sa NCF covered court, dito sa liga natin, Oragon Basketball League.
Thank you, Coach, and good luck to the team. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, maurag ka, Oragon. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Sean, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And ayun na nga, maya-maya lamang ay makikita natin yung pinaghandaan talaga nila tong Oragon Basketball League for sure. And ayun na nga, kanina nakapanayam ko rin si Coach Tupe, the head coach of the USI Falcons. Sabi niya yung players niya for Oragon Basketball League is combined juniors and seniors from Bicol Season 6. Now, they have worked a lot doon sa kanilang team chemistry since ayun na nga, magkaiba yung pinanggalingan ng kanyang mga players and different tournament na yung sasalihan nila. Now, on the other side naman, we have the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Nandiyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai to give us an update. Alright, so Zai, take it away.
Good evening, Tin and Jasper, or should I say, a magic evening to all of you and to our fellow basketball fans. Ateneo de Naga University is set to make a strong debut in the Oragon Basketball League 2025, ready to showcase their speed, skill, and teamwork. At pero bago naman tayo humantong sa ating first quarter, we are given an opportunity to interview the head coach of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. We have here Coach Nuki Savio. Magandang gabi sa inyo, Coach.
Good evening. Gabi na pala.
So my question would be, how do you plan to handle the pressure and set the tempo early for today's game?
Every game naman is a pressure. Even in our practice, there's a pressure. It's a part of athlete's life and the coach's life also, there's a pressure. So it's all about how you overcome the pressure in a day-to-day basis, even in life. So yun, hopefully, kung ano man yung paano namin i-handle yung pressure ngayon, could be on our favorable way. And hopefully, we can get the victory. Same with our opponent, yun din ang gusto nila.
Maraming salamat, Coach Nuki. I feel like Coach Nuki here is a really wise coach. So another question, Coach. What is one piece of advice that you always give your athletes or your team?
Kasi kami, solid lineup lang namin to nung Bukal eh. So, may dinagdag nga kami yung mga 16th and 17th man namin para ma-develop na namin yung skill level nila. It's their time to shine. So yun, lagi ko lang malang sinasabi, play for the school, play for Ateneo. What's in front of their jerseys is the most important thing in playing for this any league. Kasi yun naman talaga, kung wala yung Ateneo, kung wala yung mga administrators, lalo yung athletics director namin, yung si Father President, si Brother Noel, di naman possible tong nakaka-compete kami. So we play for Ateneo, for the community, and for our administrators who always support for us.
Maraming salamat, Coach Nuki. Would you like to invite the Ateneo community to support the team today?
I'd like to invite the Ateneo community, from my colleagues in Ateneo and all the community, especially the families of my players who faithfully watch our game here and in Manila and anywhere in the Philippines. They always watch the game, so let's always support our team no matter what. Win or lose, siyempre, we support our school. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Coach Nuki, and good luck for the game today. Now, from tip-off, expect them to push the pace, execute sharp pick and roll plays, and lock down on defense with the tight man-to-man coverage, winning the hustle plays, controlling the boards, and capitalizing the high percentage shot will be key to setting the tone early. So the journey begins now. Can Ateneo win their first game? Tutukan lamang dito yan sa GNN TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Gilmar reporting from the side of the Ateneo de Naga University. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, handang-handa na din ang Ateneo Golden Knights to fight for the first season of Oragon Basketball League. At sinabi nga ni Coach Nuki, same lineup lang po yung meron siya ngayon dito for Ateneo Golden Knights, yung mga naglaro during Bicol Season 6. Kaya naman, titignan natin kung meron bang changes yung ginawang game plan dito ni Coach Nuki, knowing na yung Bicol na yung mga veterans natin, we have players from Kamsur Express. So let's see how will Ateneo fight this team, knowing na itong mga makakalaro nila is marami na yung experience na meron sila. But now, this evening, let's see if it's the USI Falcons or the Ateneo Golden Knights that will get their first win. And of course, dito sa side ng USI Falcons, we also have ng ECLC and STI. And now, he will be playing for the side of USI Falcons. So let's see what contribution can he give to the team to get their first win this season.
Alright, and of course, ayun na nga, itong dalawang teams na ito ay parehas rin hindi basta-basta. And alam naman natin yung standings nila on the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Pero ayun na nga, ibang liga na ngayon, 10. It's the Oragon Basketball League. Malalakas na yung teams talagang kasali dito. So let's see kung ano yung mapapatunayan itong dalawang teams na ito dito sa laro nila and for the rest of the tournament. Kaya naman tutukan natin yung performances and of course yung mga inihanda nilang pasabog for us this evening.
And of course, syempre yung last na league na sinalihan nila is yung Bicol Season 6. So, let's base the performance of these two teams dun sa ligang iyon. And the USI Falcons, dark horse during that Season 6, grabe yung in-improve nila from Season 5 to Season 6. Grabe yung nilaro ng mga players. And ngayong araw na to, titingnan natin kung mag-i-improve, mag-step up itong mga players ng USI Falcons. And for the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, will it be the same game plan of Coach Nuki? And now, a quick shoutout lang sa ating mga live viewers dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. We have Leslyn Habala and Veronica Nacario. Thank you so much for watching us live dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court.
Ayun na nga, Ten, as you have mentioned earlier, maganda yung standing nitong dalawang teams na ito on the last league na sinalihan nila. So let's see kung papatunayan pa rin yun nila dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League as the starting five for this game has now entered the court. As we can see, mabigat talaga rin yung starting five nila dito with jersey number 61. That is Domingo and Quijano naman on the side of the USI Falcons yung magti-tip off for this game. Napakagandang laban on the third day, on the third game of the first stretch ng ating Elavil Cup. And yung 8 teams po nakasali for the Oragon Basketball League ay lahat po sila magtatapatan ngayong araw. So from our first game up until sa ating fourth game, sunod na po yan nitong laban na ito. Now, let's see.
Now, for the first 5 of USI Falcons, we have Quijano, Doloso, Grabata from the Juniors Division. We also have Del Rosario and Asibor. While on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, we have Domingo Bongala, jersey number 23 Remoto, Trepulca, and Monay. So, these are the star players of USI Falcons and Ateneo Golden Knights. So, this will be a great game this evening. And let's see with the tip-off of Quijano and Domingo. First ball possession, kanino kaya mapupunta?
And that tip-up was on the side of the USI Falcons, Grabata. Now, Zolark Asibor, well guarded here by Mac Trepolka. And now, the ball, no good on that first attempt by the USI Falcons. 2 points rather on the side of the USI Falcons. Ayun at nagsiupuan na yung nasa bench nila. As we can see, yung kanilang tradition talaga dito sa basketball, no? Kapag nakapuntos na sila, they'll be going to sit. But let's see, another chance for the USA Falcons to score here. Carmelo Grabata on the outside. Now to Doloso. Zolark Asibor with that screen coming from Doloso. And 8 seconds on the shot clock. Zolark Asibor no good on his 3-pointer.
Now, Grabata, the junior player of USI Falcons for our first 5 kasi grabe din naman yung commitment ni Grabata dito sa side of USI Falcons. So now let's see if kaya niya ba makisabayan sa ating mga seniors dito sa Ateneo and USI. Now let's see here, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. Jersey number 23, Remoto. 9 seconds to shoot. Domingo for a point with a foul.
A 3 points play opportunity for Remoto after that foul. For Domingo rather, after that foul by Quijano on the side of the USI Falcons. Now let's see if this 3-point play opportunity is good. And that was good.
Yan, napakaganda agad nung simula ng ating first quarter for both teams. Now USI Falcons, let's see if they can get a point here. Quijano, a great defender. Pass to Doloso. No good. Now Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. Monay, pass to Domingo. Fadeaway shot.
Now, Carmelo Grabata for the USI Falcons, fighting for 3, no good. And here comes Mac Tripolka for that defensive rebound. And now, Ateneo Golden Knights, Mac Tripolka on the outside. Swings it to jersey number 14. Monay, almost a steal coming from Jolark Asibor. Jersey number 21 for 3. And that was good for 2 points.
Yes, and Ateneo Golden Knights, a good start here for our first quarter. Now, what will be the answer here of USI Falcons, knowing that Ateneo Golden Knights giving a great defense here. Now, offensive rebound, Grabata, pass to Del Rosario. 6 seconds to shoot. Now, Asibor. A 3-point attempt. Kanina pa, doon sa 3-point attempts itong si Asibor. And let's see if we can get an outside shoot here.
Well, malamig pa kasi yung mga kamay nitong mga players. Wala pang heat.
Oo.
Wala pang heat na nararamdaman yung ating mga players. Well, kilala natin tong USI Falcons dun sa kanilang walang humpay na tres. Lalong-lalo na sa early games nila. But for now, as we can see, jersey number 61, Domingo, once again standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws.
Now 2-5 on our scoreboard. 3-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights here. Now, before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors, Elavil Philippines, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, Safegas, Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks, DeliGold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, and MNL Kingpin. Maraming salamat po. Now, back to the ball game here. USI Falcons again with the ball. Now, a 5-point lead here of Ateneo. Baita. Nagkalapitan ng papasahan. 13 seconds to shoot. Asibor again with the ball. Guarded by Monay. Asibor hahanapin dito. Jersey number 33. No good on that attempt. But a steal here. Asibor one more time with that ball. Wala pa rin. Malamig pa talaga para dito sa side ng USI Falcons. So let's see. For Ateneo. And that's good para dito kay Remoto. Let's take a look at it again with that instant replay brought to you by Arco Diez. Now, what a good offense for Ateneo Golden Knights. Agad-agad, 7-point lead ang nagawa ng Golden Knights dito against USI Falcons. So now let's see, after the timeout, kung anong gagawin dito ng USI Falcons. A change of momentum yung kailangan nila ngayon dito. Because Ateneo Golden Knights building yung kanilang magandang communication dito inside the court. So let's see if this will continue with us remaining 6 minutes and 42 seconds of our first quarter.
So we'll see kung magiging effective nga ba yung timeout nila dito, Tin, to stop the early momentum na nasisimula ng Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. So let's see kung magiging effective dito yung timeout with their adjustment sa kanilang opensa as well as sa kanilang depensa. And now as we can see, Carmelo Grabata well guarded here by jersey number 14. But here comes Doloso. Back to Carmelo. And now Carmelo to jersey number 25, Del Rosario. Eyeing on that basket outside the range. Baita almost getting that 3-pointer. But another chance for the USI Falcons. Jolark Asibor. Nakuhanan nga dyan ng bola. And almost a point conversion naman on the side of the Golden Knights. But Jolark Asibor, grabe, Tin. Napakagandang play on the side of the Falcons. 2-pointer by Del Rosario.
Now Del Rosario, maaga pala nagpapakita na dito ng magandang depensa for USI Falcons, and they really need it right now. Dahil kahit nagsimula pa lang daban, kailangan mabuild na agad nila yung momentum sa kanilang kupunan. So let's see if Ateneo Golden Knights can maintain this good momentum. But as of the moment, Baita and Domingo having a conversation here. Nagsimula pa lamang tayo pero mainit-init na yung connection ng mga players dito for both sides. And kung kanina napansin na talaga natin na Baita and Domingo medyo nagkakainitan dito. Now, 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. So let's see here on that last sequence on what really happened and what will be the decision of the officiating officials.
So we'll see kung ano talaga yung nangyari. On our instant replay, syempre hatid sa atin yan ng Oragon Sports TV headed by Station Manager Sir Jermaine Jacob, ang napakagandang production administrator. We have Miss Irene Tosok, ang napakagwapo rin, napakasipag nating technical director. We have Sir Kim Monteroso. And of course, yung mga napakasipag din nating cameramans, we have Sir Brian Tosok, Ma'am Niela Berido. We also have Erica De Lima and Sir Jameson Gabarda, Ma'am Jan Basales, Sir Jameson Brenya. Ayan, happy viewing po sa lahat ng nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. And of course,
and also dito sa loob ng NCF covered court, andyan pa rin yung ating mga supporters ng both USI and Ateneo. Meron pa po tayong last game na abangan mamaya. It will be the ACLC and the JB Hort. Now, the officials still having a prediction regarding that last sequence. So let's see what really happened. 4-9 on our scoreboard. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Now, here's the replay.
and I think meron ng decision or verdict ang ating officials that was coming from jersey number 25. That is alright, so we'll be waiting once again sa ating officials verdict para naman na sigurado tayo 100% sure. So let's hear it from our officials. And that and an early statement coming from our officials. Grabe. Jersey number 18 matatawagan dyan ng pushing foul, Purse of the USA Falcons, while jersey number 61 naman, Domingo of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, will be out of the playing court. Dahil dun sa nakita nating maagang replay, grabe. First quarter pa lang yan, Tin, pero yung mga tagpo, yung mga ganap natin, talagang napakainit, napakahigpit.
Ayan, talagang kapag USI and Ateneo, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mangyayari all throughout this game. And also, Domingo, one of the key players of Ateneo Golden Knights, out of the playing court. So what will be the changes here of Coach Nuki, knowing that the big man Domingo now nowhere to be found for this matchup? Let's see what will be the adjustment now. USI Falcons on the offense here, having a big gap against Ateneo Golden Knights. Now a whistle foul again here. 5 minutes and 30. Jersey number 7, Madridano, will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. Now an opportunity for Ateneo to widen that gap. Now Madridano for his first free throw.
And Burse is substituted to Ravalo on the side of the USI Falcons for having 2 fouls. And jersey number 7 on the side naman of the Golden Knights doesn't get that free throws. And now Jolar Casibor to jersey number 25 Del Rosario. Well guarded Del Rosario. Double team Del Rosario. Now gonna that pull-up jumper by jersey number 33 Baita. Now here comes Mon Aureliano, one of the key players of the Golden Knights. Jersey number 13 naman on the side of the Golden Knights.
Now, Plaza with the ball. Passes to Aureliano, best player of Ateneo Golden Knights.
That was another free throws after that foul by jersey number 17 Ravalo. Makakakuha nga dito din ng 2 free throws itong si Mon Aureliano on the side of the Golden Knights. A chance here to extend their lead to 5 points.
Now, foul trouble agad itong USI Falcons. We're just only starting the first quarter here. Now, Aureliano. Still, low scoring tayo dito because of that defense of both teams. First free throw was good for Aureliano. Let's see if they can still adjust this lead against USI Falcons. 2-2 para dito kay Mon Aureliano. Now, an opportunity for USI Falcons to lessen that gap. Jersey number 17, Ravalo. Pass to Doloso. Now, on the other side, Del Rosario. 14 seconds to shoot here. Same ball possession. A whistled foul para dito kay Plaza. Holding foul. Now, Doloso to inbound.
Now, Jolar Casibor. A turnover here on the side of the USI Falcons. And now it's Plaza for the sideline inbound. Now Fulgar on the side of the Golden Knights. Fulgar well guarded here. Now double team Fulgar. Mon Aureliano back to Fulgar. Di diretso sana. Pero a foul coming once again from Ravalo. And it's penalty on the side of the Golden Knights. Fulgar on the free throw line for 2 free throws.
Now, a lot of lost opportunity for both teams because of turnovers dito pa lang sa ating first quarter. Talagang dikdikan yung defense ng pinapakita nila dito. But of course, USI Falcons having a lot of fouls na agad sa ating first quarter pa lang. So they need to be careful at this moment. But Fulgar, first free throw was good, and Ateneo still having this great momentum for our first quarter. Now, before anything else, we'd like to thank our sponsors: Mariano Optical, MarQed Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV Construction and Supply, and Gilmar Casa de Descano. Maraming salamat po. Now, Del Rosario fires no good. Now an opportunity again for Ateneo.
No good on that play coming from jersey number 26 Valle. Napakagandang play sana yun. But here comes Doloso for the USI Falcons. Di diretso Doloso. Double team Doloso getting that 2 points. And now jersey number 70 Plaza on the side naman of the Golden Knights. Let's see. Dahil another whistle.
Now, Valle. Foul trouble itong ating mga kupunan. 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. While we're still waiting for that good gameplay for this both teams. para dun sa kanilang mga opportunity here. 8:13 on our scoreboard. Now Valle, second free throw. No good. Doloso with that rebound. Now USI Falcons. 5 puntos ang hinahabol dito. Asibor, heavily guarded. 17 seconds to shoot. Asibor against Arellano. Now Doloso ngayon. Hahanap ng opportunity dito. Fadeaway shot. That's good.
What a shot! Once again from Doloso of the USI Falcons. Napakagandang conversion of points. Now this time, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Anong bawi ang gagawin dito? Fulgar. Well guarded double team. Triple team Fulgar. And now Plaza. No, ganun that attempt by Plaza. And once again, defensive rebound ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. Doloso for 3. What a dominant round for Doloso of the USI Falcons. Agad na ipapantay yung kanilang puntos dito sa puntos ng ating Golden Knights. Deadlock by 13 points dito sa ating 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter. Jersey number 26, no good.
Now, ito yung inaabangan ng mga fans ng USI Falcons. Yung mga outside shooting, yung mga gandang three-pointer. And now, Doloso, one more time. No good. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights. Anong pambawi doon? For a loose ball. 30 in all. It's the ball possession of Ateneo Golden Knights. 21 seconds. Plaza to inbound. Now, Juan Arellano taking up their time here. 13 all. Titira ng 3. Nakita mo naman yun, Jasper. Walang alintana para dito kay Arellano.
Now, USI Falcons, what a spin from Posada. Jersey number 10. Grabe. Spin and shot. And now Russell Berse is in for the USI Falcons. Former player of the ACLC Hawks. Next to the SA Olympians. And now for the USA Falcons dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League, Mon Aureliano. No good. And now USI Falcons, but a steal coming from jersey number 7, Madridano. And now Mon Aureliano to Fulgar. And a basket count plus foul. Let's take a look once again, Tin. Grabe. Napakagandang 3-point play opportunity. And of course, that instant replay is brought to us by MarQed Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. Maraming salamat po.
Now, Fulgar with that 3-point play sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, and back on their side yung 4 na puntos ngayon. Let's see anong pambawi dito ng USI Falcons having this good momentum. Now, nagkakagawan dito. Still, ball possession of USI Falcons. Posada one more time, no good. Offensive rebound. Second chance, still no good. Ateneo on the offense. Arellano. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Plaza. Now to Valle. Now let's see here. Heavily guarded here. Fulgar papasok sa loob. Loses that ball. USI Falcons with that steal. And Posada running with the ball. Getting that basket. And baba sa 2 puntos ang hinahabol ng USI Falcons. 33 seconds remaining. Now Valle. But a whistled foul coming from the referees here. Tatawagan ng foul dito si Baita ng USI Falcons. So Arellano, 2 free throws. 29 seconds remaining here, 17-19.
And a quick shout out here to Gian Tipay, Ivan Diocampo, Kirsten Lois Papa, Vince Santa Cruz, and Cyrus Evangelio. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat na nakatutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live.
Now, 29 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 17-21. USI Falcons. Burse.
That was a traveling violation on the side of the USI Falcons. Syempre, hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. A quick shoutout din dito kay Sir Francis Erickson Basbas. Happy viewing, sir. And now
12 seconds remaining here. Ateneo. And Valle releases the 3, extending that lead against USI Falcons. And another steal here, Arellano. At natapos na po ang ating first quarter with Ateneo dominating 17-24. We will be back for our second quarter of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, di kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandatana. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo, sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
And we're back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court sa second quarter of action. Bakbakan ng USI Falcons and the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with 7-point lead ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights doon sa nagdaan na first quarter. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nitong dalawang teams na ito dito sa ating second quarter of action. And as we can see here dito sa ating statistics, maagang matunog na pangalan. Aureliano with 7 points doon sa nagdaan na first quarter, and Del Rosario of the USI Falcons with 6 points naman. And now, as the ball possession of the Golden Knights, Mac Tripolka to jersey number 13, Fulgar. Well guarded Fulgar. Grabe, napakataas ng lipad doon ni jersey number 26, almost getting the 2 points, pero 3 points pala yung meant to be kay jersey number 26 of the Golden Knights. Atid sa atin yan ng Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. A clean 3-pointer from the Golden Knights, Valle. And now, USI Falcons, Posada. Now, to Jolek Asibor. A blocking foul from Mac Tripolka. And the same ball possession dito for the USI Falcons.
Now, 17-27, a double-digit lead of Ateneo Golden Knights.
And to hear an update from the court side, let's hear an update from Zai on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Zai, take it away.
Tin and Jasper, here we are entering the second quarter. Malamig nga ang panahon pero ang init naman ng mga pangyayari sa loob ng hard court. Especially during the 5th minute of the first quarter. Jersey number 61, Domingo, was ordered and out of the playing court because of a pushing foul which led to an unsportsmanlike behavior. But nevertheless, our Golden Knights are still playing with might and integrity. Medyo malayo nga ang pinagkaiba ng scoreboard pero marami pa rin ang oras kaya marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa loob ng hard court. That's why Rick and Jasper, hold your breaths and tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga kaganapan mamaya. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa loob ng Ateneo and USI match-up. And also, Domingo having out of the picture for Ateneo Golden Knights. So, ngayon, ito yung ating kailangang tuklasin. Kung ano nga ba yung gagawin dito ng ating Golden Knights to maintain their lead here of 7 points against USI Falcons. Now, this is the ball possession of ating Golden Knights. Pero papakinggan muna natin kung ano yung naging adjustment ng USI Falcons to lessen that gap. And to hear an update, nandyan si Chen.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of the game. Soaring higher. Yan nga ang mantra na tumatak sa team na to. And as we can see, patuloy nilang ipinapakita at pinapatunayan dahil pinaulanan nga tayo ni jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso, ng kanyang tres na nagresulta sa magandang laro ng Falcons dito sa ating first quarter of the game. And I also want to commend the performance of jersey number 10, Posada, that maintained their composure bago matapos ang first quarter, and for the second quarter naman kailangan nilang maging physical para maiwasan ang mga fouls. Yan lamang ang latest. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shanna, that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And as we can see, anim na puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng ating USI Falcons para mapantayan yung score dito or yung puntos dito ng ating Golden Knights.
So now let's see here if they can lessen that as Ciruelos. That's good for his free throw. Now for our second quarter, ano pa yung ibibigay dito ni Arellano for Ateneo Golden Knights, knowing he has 7 points during that first quarter. And on the side of USI Falcons, Del Rosario na nagpakita ng magandang performance dito. So these two players on both sides yung kailangan nilang bantayan, but of course, lahat po ng players dito ng USI and Ateneo talagang gagawin yung best to get their first win for this Season 1 of Oragon Basketball League. But now, for USI Falcons, Doloso punches a 3 here and lessening that gap against 4 dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And that 3-pointer atin po sa atin ng safe gas. Maraming salamat po.
Now let's see Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Anong sagot naman yung gagawin nila dito? Jersey number 3, Mac Tripolka, almost losing that ball. Well guarded Mac Tripolka. And that was not counted as that was a traveling violation. Almost getting that 2-point or that basket count +1 play. And now it's the USI Falcons. Posada after that sideline inbound by Jolark Asibor. And now Asibor on the outside. Now Doloso. Well guarded Doloso. Posada. Doloso once again. Dire-diretso na yan, Tin. Wala nang pag-aalinlangan, Tin. That was an easy conversion of points for Doloso on the side of the USI Falcons.
Now, an opportunity, a great opportunity for USI Falcons. So let's see if Ateneo Golden Knights ihinto agad yung magandang momentum na nabibuild dito sa second quarter ng USI Falcons. Now, Tripolka, a whistled foul, and he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. 27-29. What an intense game between these two teams. And let's see, Tripolka for that 2 free throws, he can extend their lead here. And also, maraming salamat din po sa Mangkok's Kinalas, Nixie Shop, BDC, Massage, and Spa at sa Tigers Cafe. Now, as we continue this ball game, Ateneo Golden Knights having this 3-point lead against USI Falcons. Now, Falcons on the offense. Now, Ciruelos.
Well guarded here by Mac Tripolka, but that was a stepping on the line. 8 turnover here on the side of the Golden Knights with Mon Aureliano for that sideline inbound.
ito yung kailangan bawasan din ng USI Falcons, yung mga turnovers nila na kanina pa during that first quarter, marami na yung kanilang nakumit ditong turnovers. So it will be an advantage for Ateneo Golden Knights to really have a good gameplay dito. At kaya nga nasa kanila yung kalamangan. So USI Falcons needs to work hard for this one, and at the same time, Ateneo Golden Knights getting that point, making it a 5-point lead here. Now USI Falcons, what will they do now? The Rosario, 14 seconds to shoot. Passes here. No good. Now a 3-pointer, no good.
Almost getting that 3-pointer once again coming from Doloso. And now Mon Aureliano of the Golden Knights to jersey number 16. But a steal coming from jersey number 5. Now Doloso to Posada. No good on that 3-pointer. Jersey number 18, Burse rather. And now Mon Aureliano. Nahihirapan dito. Pero tumira.
And now, USI Falcons getting that basket. Ngayon, talagang bigay todo na para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Ating Golden Knights on the offense. Plaza. 16 seconds to shoot. Plaza, hanap dito ng papasahan. Jersey number 10, back to 16. Cutting that basket with a foul. Para dito kay Patra. A quicker replay on that one. A good connection between jersey number 10, Abrasaldo, and Beltran. That instant replay is brought to you by Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. Now, Beltran. 3-point play. Ateneo Golden Knights. 6-point lead here. Now, USI Falcons, Burse. Pass to Asibor. Del Rosario ngayon. And a whistled foul para dito kay Beltran. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Del Rosario, first free throw was good. Now for his second free throw. Maganda yung pinakita niya during first quarter, and up until the second quarter, still consistent player of USI Falcons. So now let's see here, hindi din nagkakalayo yung puntos ng Ateneo and USI. So let's see here. Plaza, pass to Aureliano. Now back to Plaza. What will be the game plan of Ateneo? Now Plaza, heavily guarded here, trying to go inside. Passes to jersey number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. And in and out ball. And now, ito na naman, pangalawang beses. Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 13 of USI Falcons, Lok. 18 rather, Burse. Medyo mainit-init dito sa Burse, sa side ng USI Falcons.
Kung di ako nagkakamali, it's his third foul na on this game with 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Our officials is having a review kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon sa sequence na yon to make sure na clean and fair yung laro natin. With 31-35, grabe. 4 na puntos lang yung lamang ng ating Golden Knights dito sa ating USA Falcons. Nothing is impossible dito sa ball game na ito since we are on the second quarter pa lamang. Now, let's wait for
the decision of the officials. Now 14 seconds to shoot for ADNU Golden Knights. Jersey number 7. And that will be a basket count with a foul here for Mon Arellano, key player of ADNU. Napakaganda ng performance na binigay niya sa atin during Bicol Season 6, and now he is still leading the team of ADNU. 31-37. No good. Nagkakagawa ng bola. And that will be the ball possession of USI Falcons.
3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. And it's the ball possession of the USI Falcons. And now, jersey number 5 back to Asibor. Asibor well guarded here by Plaza. And now Carmelo Grabata. Jersey number 3 to Ceruelos. Nahihirapan ditong pumasok itong ating Falcons. But here comes Doloso. Almost getting the 3-point play opportunity. Makakakuha pa rin naman siya dito 10 ng 2 free throws. After that foul committed by the Golden Knights. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining with just 6 points yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating Falcons.
Yes, mahigpit yung labanan ng USI Falcons and ADNU Golden Knights. Ayaw kumawala doon sa kanilang mga depensa. Now Doloso. First free throw was good. Now let's see for your second free throw para mas maiba pa yung kalamangan dito ng ADNU Golden Knights. Doloso. And gets it. Second free throw was good. Now ADNU on the offense. Still having a lead here. Plaza with the ball. Papasok sa loob. Now, jersey number 8 tries. No good. Offensive rebound. One more time for ADNU. Releases. And Madridano for the third time dito sa ADNU Golden Knights getting that basket. What a good communication here and connection of ADNU players. Now USI Falcons, ano pambawi dito? Grabata. Passes to Asibor. 12 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here, Asibor. Passes to Doloso. Nagkakagawa dito, Del Rosario. No good. ADNU ngayon nagmamadali. De Plaza. 2-minute mark of our second quarter. It was a foul.
A minute and 51 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. And now, Plaza standing on the free throw line. Kaya naman din pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Bunny and Piggy Distributions or the Distributors, Naga Travel and Tours, Gilmar, Casa, Descano, TRDV Construction and Supply, and of course, Rian Bakery. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And now, back to the ball game. USI's basketball. Doloso, pull-up jumper, no good. But here comes Del Rosario to Carmelo Grabata after that offensive rebound. Now, Mon Aureliano naman to Plaza. What a move sana. But no good on that attempt. But here comes once again the Golden Knights. Grabe yung agawan ng bola. Pares na teams gustong hawakan yung bola. Pero hindi naman pwede kasi isa lang yung pwedeng humawak ng bola. Pero napakahigpit nung depensa. And as we can see, it's the ball possession of the Golden Knights now.
Now jersey number 10 Abasado to inbound.
Now, a steal coming from Del Rosario, di diretso. Walang magagawa dyan si jersey number 7 of the Golden Knights, Madridano.
Now, Del Rosario, napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita niya dito sa USI Falcons. And they need to help them. At
What a shot dito, 10. Coming from Mon Aureliano, napakalinis. At tid sa atin yan ng safe gas. Grabe, extending their lead once again to 9 points. Down kanina sa 6 points na lamang hinahabol ng ating USI Falcons. And now, once again extended to 9 points after that 3-pointer by Mon Aureliano. And agad namang napatawag dyan ng timeout itong ating USI Falcons. And here are some of the highlights for the first half of this ball game. And as we can see, tikit yung laban kahit na 9 points yung naging laban ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. Napakadikit since kanina we're just down to last 4 points yung kailangang habulin na ating USI Falcons. But now, let's see kung magiging effective yung magiging adjustments nila dito sa gagawin nilang timeout, courtesy of Coach Tope Espinosa, the head coach of the USI Falcons.
now, 1 minute remaining here. Anong gagawin ng USI Falcons para mas mapababa pa yung kalamangan ng hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights before pumasok sa third quarter? Because there will be a big change kapag nabawasan pa itong kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see here, USI Falcons, Posada. 52 seconds remaining, Asibor. Passes to Doloso. 12 seconds to shoot. Anong gagawin nila dito? Posada, once again. And a whistled foul. And Posada will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. And both teams are now on the penalty. 35-44 in favor of Golden Knights. Now Posada, first free throw was good. At kahit yung mga free throws, kailangan pagtrabahuan dito ng USI Falcons to lessen that gap. Second quarter pa lamang tayo, pero grabe na yung nakikita nating opensa at depensa dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Now let's see here if Ateneo can still extend that with 36 seconds remaining. Nagkakagawa ng bola dito. Now double team dito para kay jersey number 27 at dire-diretso. Posada once again getting a point here for USI. 22 seconds. Nang gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, jersey number 23.
Let's see, 10. Since jersey number 23 well guarded here with 10 seconds remaining on our first half. Jersey number 27, but that was a traveling violation. A very crucial error on the side of the Golden Knights since 6 seconds na lang yung natitira for our first half. And as we can see, Del Rosario is down. I think he's suffering sa may bandang tiyan. And
I hope he's okay, because Del Rosario, being one of the consistent player of USI Falcons for this matchup against Ateneo Golden Knights. So with this remaining 6 seconds, what will be the gameplay of USI Falcons to get a point here to lessen that gap of Ateneo Golden Knights? And it will help them sa pagsimula ng third quarter maya-maya lamang po. 6 seconds remaining, 38-44, 6-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights.
I think Del Rosario is good and can still continue to play for the USI Falcons dito sa natitirang 6 seconds and 54 milliseconds ng ating first half. Naku, napaka-crucial nung error din, nung traveling violation doon ng ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights, since they're very close to close the first half. Pero ayun na nga, nag-commit pa doon ng traveling violation itong si jersey number 27 Jacob. And now it's the ball possession of the USI Falcons. So let's see kung ano yung ginagawa nilang game plan dito as they call this time out nung nakita nga nilang nasasaktan or parang may ininda itong si Del Rosario. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito.
And of course, every ball possession is important for USI Falcons as well as sa Ateneo Golden Knights. So kailangan nilang magawa ng paraan itong remaining 6 seconds para makakuha ng puntos. And dito na natin doon sa ating replay with Del Rosario and jersey number 7 Madridano having a contact here. Now Del Rosario on that free throw line. 38-44.
Ayan na, matatawagan siya ng unsportsmanlike foul. Itong si Madridano, 2 shots for jersey number 25 Del Rosario. Grabe, napakabilis ng pangyayari din. Buti na lang, we have this instant replay hatid sa atin ng Oragon Sports TV. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung nangyari doon kay Del Rosario, pero ayun pala, nakita natin sa ating instant replay. 6 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. For the first half, let's see kung ano gagawin dito ng ating USA Falcons. Doloso, Asibor, di diretso on the outside. Ciruelos will be getting that 2 points for that buzzer beater shot dito sa ating first half. Grabe, saktong-sakto. And that's the end of our first half. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon. Ang loto,
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League, Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for our third quarter of the matchup of Ateneo Golden Knights and USI Falcons. And with this great performance on the side of both teams, 3 puntos lamang po ang hawak na kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito. And a change of momentum para naman sa USI Falcons. So let's see for our third quarter if ano pa yung mga aksyon na mangyayari dito. And of course, during our first half, it was doloso sa side ng USI Falcons ang nag-step up dito with 12 big points. And talagang grabe din yung ipinakita niyang performance during that first half. And on the other side, Ateneo Golden Knights, key player Mon Arellano patuloy lang sa pagbigay sa atin na magpuntos dito. So, Ateneo really needs his presence now sa ating third quarter. Now let's see here is Ateneo having that 3-point lead and Fulgar releases a 3, no good. Offensive rebound. One more time, Fulgar ngayon. Try, still no good. Quijano with that rebound.
And now it's the USI's basketball. Jersey number 22, Doloso. Ravelo. And now to Joler Casibor. Gagawa dito ng diskarte. Now, a whistle foul. And now, the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the USI Falcons. Jersey number 10, Posada, well guarded here by jersey number 14. And now, jersey number 22, Doloso. Asipor, long 3, no good. And now here comes Mac Tripolca for that defensive rebound. Now jersey number 16 for the Golden Knights. Now Tripolca, diretso Tripolca with that assist to Fulgar. Having a 2 points on the side of the Golden Knights. And that assist out of the game is brought to us by 3N Bakery. Kaya naman na pakinggan natin ang update on the side of the USI Falcons. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. Second half of the game na nga at mainit na laro pa rin nga ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. And yes, mga Oragon, parehong team ang gusto umuwing panalo. Kaya naman kailangan ng Falcons magtulungan at mag-communicate dahil napakahigpit nga ng depensa na ipinapakita ng Golden Knights. And during the huddle, they are reminded to have a good start and mag-communicate sa depensa. Utilize the center's post moves and offensive rebounds to keep the score close. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Yun yung kailangan ngayon ng USI Falcons. Depensa against Ateneo Golden Knights. Because knowing that Ateneo having a great defense against USI Falcons also, isa din sa hinighlight dito ni Coach Tupe is yung communication ng kada players, the connection they really needed para mas stick lang nila yung puntos nila sa Ateneo Golden Knights or even take on the lead here. And let's see on what will really happen with this duration of game. Now USI Falcons still having that momentum. Pero titignan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights to maintain that lead. And to hear update, andyan po si Zai.
Tin and Jasper, we're currently on to the third quarter, battling their opponent despite the struggles. The Knights have been very sharp towards their shooting ability, but I do admit that they need to work more on their defenses to largen the gap of the scores. Since USI is not an easy enemy, this battle will be much more messy, yet tactical. Let's see what's ahead or what kind of strategy they'll make onto the next quarter or onto the next minutes. That's all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zion. That update from beside naman of the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights, the dominant team for this game. And let's see kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng change of favor dito sa natitirang 6 minutes and 46 seconds ng ating third quarter, where we'll still have the fourth and final quarter. So we'll see kung ano yung mangyayari since 2 puntos na lamang yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating USI Falcons. But we all know na itong dalawang teams na ito ay parehas game changer. And no good on that 3-pointer by jersey number 10 Posada. But here comes jersey number 23. Hindi nga nakakuha ng 3-point play. Magkakakuha naman ng 2 free throws after that foul committed by Quijano of the USI Falcons.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan protektahan yung kalamangan na meron sila ngayon because the USI Falcons a good start for them. But still, it's still early kung sino nga ba yung mananalo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, jersey number 26, Valle on that free throw line. Second free throw, let's see. No good. Doloso with that rebound. Now, USI Falcons have an opportunity here to tie the game or even get close to it. Now, Asibor. A traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Traveling is fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Ateneo, still having this great momentum, hindi pa rin nakakalamang yung USI Falcons dito sa side ng Ateneo. Let's see here, jersey number 16 Beltran with that ball. 15 seconds to shoot.
Jersey number 26 Di Derecho. But that was a traveling violation. Hatid sa atin yan once again ng Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Ngayon, yung turnovers again ng dalawang kuponan visible sa ating third quarter and they need to lessen that, most especially ngayon na talagang dikit yung kanilang mga laban. Every ball possession is important. They need to get a point here. Now, Quijano with that basket. What a good game here for USI Falcons.
The big man.
Baba sa isa yung kalamangan ng Ateneo ngayon.
The big man of the USI Falcons doing its job. Now, Plaza. No good, grabe na. Pakataas nung talon doon ni Plaza. But let's see kung anong bawi yung gagawin dito ng ating Golden Knights. Posada with that steal. And now Posada to Asibor. And that was a traveling violation committed by Asibor on the side of the USI Falcons. Hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Let's see, dahil mas marami na yung chances, yung opportunities dito ng ating Golden Knights. Pero kung makikita natin, 1 puntos na lamang po yung hinahabol ng ating USI Falcons para mapantay or maipantay yung kanilang puntos dito sa ating Golden Knights. So let's see kung paano yan dadagdagan ng Golden Knights, kung paano nila ipapagpatuloy yung kanilang momentum, and of course para makalayo dito sa ating USI Falcons as we are on the midway of the third quarter.
Yan, very crucial din yung naging violation dyan ni Asibor with that traveling violation. Nakuha na sana nung USI Falcons yung inaasam nilang pagkuha ng lead against Ateneo Golden Knights. And this time, Ateneo still have an opportunity para panghawakan yan. But USI Falcons with a snatch of ball. Doloso passes to Quijano. Quijano gets it. And a 1-point lead of USI Falcons now. A change of momentum here. Let's see if this will continue sa side ng USI Falcons. O babaki agad itong Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yun ang atin yung kanina pa nating hinihintay. The change of favor on the side of the USI Falcons. Pero agad ba yung babawiin ng ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights? Ayun na nga, Mon Aureliano with that steal. Libreng-libre. Walang nagawa dyan si Ravelo. And babawiin nga dyan ng ating Golden Knights yung lamang na nagawa ng ating USI Falcons. That was Ravalo. One-on-one with Mon Aureliano kanina.
No good on that last sequence. And that ball will go on sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Grabe, napaka-intense na agad ng laban dito ng USI and Ateneo. They need to maintain this kind of game. Walang iwanan para dito sa dalawang kupunan. Now, Ateneo on the offense. Plaza. 3 minutes and 46 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Low scoring pa rin tayo dito. Now, Fulgar with the ball. Passes to Monareliano. No good. An opportunity for USI.
Almost getting that 2-pointer by Mon Aureliano on the side of the Golden Knights. And now let's see USA Falcons. Almost getting. Grabe, napakaraming almost na yung mga pangyayari dito sa ating third quarter 10. Let's see kung papasiguruhin na ba yan ng dalawang teams na ito. Jersey number 13, Fulgar. Grabe, another almost for the Golden Knights. But this time, jersey number 10, Posada. And now a steal coming from Mon Aureliano of the Golden Knights. Now let's see, Mon Aureliano to jersey number 13, Fulgar. And ayun na nga, natuloy na yung almost 10. That was a 3-point play opportunity for Fulgar of the Golden Knights.
Yan, with that instant replay, nakita natin kung gaano kaganda yung gameplay na yon ni Fulgar. And that is brought to us by MarQed Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. Now, 48-51. Ateneo on the lead here. And no good. Now, USI Falcons. Ano pa bawi dito? Sa 3 puntos na kalamangan ulit ng Ateneo. Now, Asibor with that ball. 15 seconds to shoot. But a backcourt violation. Another crucial error for USI Falcons. They need to lessen that error. They need to maximize all their ball possessions. And also, they need to do something about the connection of the players. Now Ateneo. Beltran. Passes to Plaza. And that will be a turnover here. USI Falcons have an opportunity. 2 minutes and 19 for our third quarter.
Let's see. Dahil medyo nakalamang-lamang na naman itong ating Ateneo na Golden Knights. A 3-point lead kontra dito sa ating USI Falcons. Now jersey number 18, Burse, for that sideline inbound. And now jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor, well guarded here by Plaza. Grabe. Now let's see. Ciruelos to jersey number 25, Del Rosario. Now Del Rosario coming short on that shot with 2 minutes remaining for the third quarter.
Now, 2-minute mark. It is the ball possession of USI Falcons. Naghahabol ng 3. Ciruelos passes to Baita. Now Baita gets it. Now an opportunity, open opportunity for USI Falcons to continue this kind of game plan. Now, Plaza. Very close and intense matchup of this both teams. Fulgar ngayon, papasok sa loob. Sasagot agad for Ateneo. Now, Fulgar being consistent here for his defense as well as the offense. Talagang one of Ateneo Golden Knights is to give us a good players here on their side. Now, Sibor, 10 seconds to shoot. Passes to Ciruelos. And that's good.
A point lead of the Golden Knights with 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Mon Aureliano once again extending their lead to 3 points. Grabe. Palitan lang ng lamang dito yung ating Ateneo na Golden Knights. Kung hindi isa, magiging 3. Let's see. Purse. A whistled foul. And that was a blocking foul. Now jersey number 10, Abrasaldo, is complaining for an elbow motion, pero blocking foul yung tawag dyan ng ating officials. And now Abrasaldo for that baseline inbound on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights.
Now a 3-point lead of Ateneo with only 43 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Will they extend this lead again? Mel Plaza passes to Fulgar. 14 seconds to shoot here. Fulgar chooses Arellano. Now Arellano nahihirapan dito. Plaza back to Arellano. 4 seconds. What will Ateneo do at this moment? No good. USI Falcons on the run here. Del Rosario loses it. And that ball will go on sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 13 seconds remaining. They can have again their momentum here before this quarter ends. 13 seconds. Arellano passes to Plaza. 9 seconds to shoot. Ateneo, what will they do? 3-point lead here. Fulgar, heavily guarded, loses that ball.
And a steal from Asibor, but that's the end of the third quarter. 3 points lead of the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Now, we are back for our fourth and final quarter for this matchup of USI Falcons and Ateneo Golden Knights. And as we can see on our scoreboard, such an intense matchup para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. 52-55, just a 3-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. And of course, standout player for third quarter is jersey number 25, Del Rosario, sa side ng USI Falcons with 11 points. Grabe din yung tinabaho niya dito. Grabe din yung ipinakita niyang performance. One of the key players of USI Falcons. While on the other side, Fulgar, talagang nag-step up siya during that third quarter sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see if these players can continue giving us a good combination of plays. Now, still a 3-point lead here of Ateneo. Ateneo's basketball. 6 seconds to shoot. Offensive rebound. Valle. Naubusan na ng oras. So that will be a turnover for USI Falcons.
It's the ball possession of the USI Falcons. So we'll see. And this time, let's call on our courtside reporter Zai on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Zai, anong update natin dyan?
So close yet so far. That's how I can explain the distance of the Knights in terms of winning today. But they've been consistent with their energy ever since the beginning of the game. But as you all know, they have to exert more effort and push themselves further. This kind of gameplay really proves kung gaano kagagaling ang team natin here sa Oragon Basketball League. Hold on to your seats as we wait for the final buzzer to beat and make its decision. So yan lamang ang updates ko dito sa side ng Knights. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Zai. They need to push harder for Ateneo Golden Knights because this is the last quarter. No more next quarter. So this is their last chance if they really want to get their first win for the Season 1 of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. So now, 52-55, 8th minute or 9th minute mark for our fourth quarter. And now, para malaman din natin kung anong gagawin ng USI Falcons dito dahil may 3 puntos silang hinahabol, tawagin natin si Chad. Hi Chad, anong balita sa side ng USI Falcons?
Well, thank you, Tien and Jasper. Final and fourth quarter of the game na nga. At palaisipan pa rin kung sino ba ang uuwing panalo. Gitgitan ng score at halos lahat ay mapapasigaw sa init ng laro na nasaksihan natin sa third quarter. Isa nga sa napansin ko, Tien and Jasper, na talagang napakalakas ng chemistry ng team na to sa isa't isa dahil halos lahat ay nag-contribute para sa kanilang first game dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Kaya naman ang tanong, sino kaya ang uuwing panalo? Yan ang dapat nating abangan, kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shan, on that update from the side of the USA Falcons. And as you can see, a missed fast break opportunity on the side of the USA Falcons. A change of favor na naman sana for our fourth and final quarter with that overpass. Medyo napalakas dun yung pass. To Burse. Now let's see Fulgar. Pull-up jumper was good on the side of the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Once again, extending their lead to 3 points with 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating USA Falcons. Si Ruelos. Now to jersey number 22, Doloso. And now Asibor almost losing that ball. But Doloso hindi papayag na hindi makapag-convert ng puntos. 2 points for the USA Falcons.
Ngayon, Jasper, hindi binibitawan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Once na pumuntos yung USI Falcons, andyan din sila umaarangkada. Bibigay ng magandang puntos dito. Kaya naman yung momentum hindi pa rin nawawala sa kanilang kupunan. But also, the USI Falcons fighting up until the end of this quarter and this matchup against Ateneo. Let's see, pull-up jumper of jersey number 5, si Ruelos. Grabe naman din yung USI Falcons sa pag-arangkada dito sa ating last quarter. So let's see here, 58-59, just a point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights and an opportunity for USI Falcons to get their ball possession and also talagang makapuntos dito sa bawat pagkakataon na meron sila. So they need to have a great defense knowing that Ateneo Golden Knights lumulusot. Talagang napakaganda ng connection nito mga players side ng Golden Knights. So now let's see here as Beltran with that ball passes to Arellano. But a whistled foul there. 6 minutes and 43 seconds.
Now, let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa 6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining ng ating fourth and final quarter with that point lead ng ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Now, Mon Aureliano on the outside looking for a good opportunity. Mon Aureliano di diretso. And 2 points for Mon Aureliano. What a move on the side of the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 3, Zolark Asibor for the USA Falcons. And now to Posada. Now Posada, grabe, nagpapalakpakan na. Grabe, 8 seconds to shoot for the USA Falcons.
Now 58-61. And this is still the ball possession of USI Falcons. They need to maximize this one. Doloso. Pero whistled foul. And now, all the players of USI Falcons needs to step up para makuha yung momentum against Ateneo Golden Knights. Talaga namang pinangahawakan yung napakagandang game plan nila dito. Now, Ciruelos to inbound. The pass is here to Doloso. And the steal coming from Ateneo and Fulgar, no good. That will be a turnover.
Almost a shot, pero Fulgar is standing outside the line. And now it's a turnover on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 58-61 still. A 3-point lead on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see kung paano ito babawiin ng ating USI Falcons. Now, Joler Casibor for 3. And that was good. Ayun na nga atin. Deadlock at 61 points dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And that 3 points hatid sa atin yan ng Elavil Philippines. And of course, turnover here on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And a timeout na rin yung tinawag nila. Let's take a look once again doon sa 3-pointer ni Jolar Casibor. Grabe. Yun yung nag-deadlock dun sa puntos ng dalawang teams. And I think kailangang gumawa ng effective na game plan or adjustments nitong dalawang teams. Lalong-lalo na 5 minutes and 29 seconds na lamang yung natitira for our fourth and final quarter. Will the Ateneo de Naga University Greyhounds, Golden Knights, secure their first win dito sa Oragon Basketball League, or the USI Falcons?
Now, 61 all para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Napakaganda nung naging journey nila from first quarter up until dito sa ating 5-minute mark of the fourth quarter. So let's see if USI Falcons can maintain this momentum or Ateneo Golden Knights muling aarangkada, kukunin muli yung kalamangan nila dito. So talagang hindi mo alam kung sino yung mananalo dito. And both teams enjoying at the same time doing their best. And of course, yan para sa ating mga beautiful ladies dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Now, it's an opportunity for USI Falcons to take on the lead here. Now, Ciruelos passes to Del Rosario, getting that basket, and the momentum is now on their side. Ateneo, ano pambawi dito? Tripolka. Passes to Fulgar. Now to Beltran. 15 seconds to shoot. The great defense of USI Falcons. But a whistled foul here for Del Rosario.
That was a foul coming from jersey number 25, Del Rosario. And it is the same ball possession for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, and exchange of favor na dito sa ating 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. 2-point lead ng ating USI Falcons. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan na 10. Ay yun na nga 10. Still coming from Del Rosario, and what an assist coming from jersey number 3. Hatid sa atin yan ng Mariano Optical. Assist from Asibor to Posada. Grabe. Nagtuloy-tuloy na yung momentum. 4-point lead. Pero agad na babawasan niya ni Mag Tripolka on the side of the Golden Knights. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Ito na naman yung Ateneo, but Jular pushing a 3, no good. Now Ateneo, an opportunity here to tie the game, but but Ciruelos with that snatch of the ball. Sibor passes here to Posada. Now Posada goes inside, but still coming from Arellano. Golden Knights. There was a foul there.
Sayang. That was a missed opportunity on the side of the USA Falcons to continue their momentum, but it's a 2 free throw for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, courtesy of jersey number 13 Fulgar, with 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter.
First free throw was good para dito kay Fulgar. Talagang hindi nila hinahayaan dito. Parehong kupunan talagang hindi hinahayaan dito na makalayo yung puntos ng kanilang mga kalaban. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Fulgar. That's good. 2-on-2 para sa kanya. Now USI Falcons on the offense. 64-65. Sibor passes to Ciruelos. 65 all rather. Deadlock para dito sa ating last quarter. Sibor nawala ng bola. Mon Arellano. And the whistle foul there, and he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. An opportunity for Ateneo Golden Knights again to snatch that lead and bring back the momentum on their side.
Mon Aureliano standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see, since we are deadlocked at 65, pero that first free throw was good by Mon Aureliano, and it's a point lead on the side of the Golden Knights.
Now let's see for a second free throw if this will be a 2-point lead. And that's good. And with that, a timeout was called sa side ng USI Falcons. And with this, anong gagawin ni Coach Tupe to really get a good game plan here with this remaining 3 minutes and 29 seconds of the game? Nakuha nila yung magandang momentum, dire-diretso, but still the Ateneo Golden Knights andyan para tigilan or pigilan yung pag-arangkada ng USI Falcons. So, let's hear it from Chan kung anong gagawin dito with this remaining 3 minutes and 29 seconds of USI Falcons.
Well, Tin and Jasper, grabe nga ang hiyawan at sigawan ng mga fans ng Falcons dahil gitgitan nga ang score at napakagandang laro ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. Work together, ika nga ni Coach Tupe, kaya naman all out kung all out ang kanilang ipinapakitang performance dito sa natitirang minuto. Yan lamang ang latest. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shannon, that update from the side of the USA Falcons. Grabe, dikit na dikit yung laban natin for the fourth and final quarter. For sure, yung mga timbahay natin na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live na via Oragon Sports TV is nakahawak na sa kanilang mga inuupuan dahil sa higpit ng laban na natutunghayan natin ngayon. On the other side, let's hear a quick update on the side of the Golden Knights. Zai, take it away.
Only a few minutes left at malalaman na natin ang magwawagi sa pagkahaba-haba at pagkakaba-kabang larong ito. With only a few gaps sa scoreboard, talagang maririnig ninyo ang tilya ng mga audience dito. Kaya naman sa ating viewers watching at home, cheer on your favorite team by commenting and sharing this live. That's all the updates I have for now since kailangan natin mag-focus sa mga kaganapan sa loob ng court. This is Shulamar Zaiminiano from the side of the Ateneo de Naga University. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Konting minuto na lang nga po ang ating inaabangan dito. And Ateneo having that 2-point lead. And with this ball possession, they can have an opportunity, a momentum here to get on against USI Falcons. Now, Mon Arellano taking their time here with 11 seconds. But a whistled foul para dito kay Quijano. of USI Falcons. Sa tama nga si Zai, para sa ating team bahay dyan, talagang kahit kayo, feel na feel yung intensity ng laro ng itong dalawang kupunan na ito. And even the live viewers and live audience dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Now, Fulcar back on that free throw line for 2 shots here. 65-67, a 2-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights, and they can still extend it. Fulgar no good on that first free throw. 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. And also, we would like to thank our sponsors, Arco Diez, Naga College Foundation, and Tigers Cafe. Now, nakuha nga Fulgar yung kanyang pangalawang free throw. Now, let's see anong gagawin dito ng USI Falcons. Pampawi dyan sa 3 puntos na kalamangan ng Ateneo. Now, Quijano, 2 minutes and 35. Have been recorded.
Ciruelos. Now, to Joler Casibor. No good on that pull-up jumper. But this time, it's a defensive rebound coming from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And now, Plaza. To Mon Aureliano. Looking for a good opportunity here. 3-point lead of the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Let's see. Juan Aureliano di diretso. No good on that attempt. But a save and almost a steal coming from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. That was a foul. 2 free throws ang igagawad dito kay Doloso on the side of the USI Falcons. A minute and 50 seconds remaining with 3-point lead of the Golden Knights.
Now, ito yung kailangan talaga ng USI Falcons. And at this moment, kahit yung mga free throws dito, kailangan nila. Now, Doloso, let's see here for his first free throw. That's good. Still, the ball is alive. The game is alive for these 2 teams. No room for complacency. No room for errors for USI and Ateneo. 66-68. Now let's see for that second free throw of USI Falcons coming from Doloso. Also, let's see here, 1 minute and 50. Mahaba-haba pa po itong natitirang minuto ng ating matchup because of this intensity of the game. No good on that second free throw of Doloso. Very crucial one para sa kanilang kupunan. Still a 2-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see here as Plaza with this ball. 20. Have regarded here. Tripolka pass to Fulgar. Now Fulgar gets inside. At foul yung makukuha niya dito. A pushing foul called kaya Del Rosario. Now Fulgar back on that free throw line for 2 shots here.
Now, it's a free throw for Fulgar on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe. 21, bali 3 puntos yung inahabol ng ating USI Falcons dito sa natitirang 1 minute and 31 seconds ng ating 4th and final quarter. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng USI Falcons? Let's see.
Now 66-69. A 3-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. 1 minute and 29. Anong gagawin ng parehong kupunan dito? Sa side ng Ateneo, anong gagawin nila para manatili yung kalamangan sa kanilang kupunan? At anong gagawin din ng USI Falcons to grab this chance to take on the lead here? Now, Asibor passes to Doloso. Now Doloso heavily guarded by Tripolka. 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Del Rosario. Down to 5. Almost lost it, pero Doloso was there to get that basket.
Almost an alley-oop play, pero Doloso hindi papayag na hindi makapag-convert ng points Lalong-lalo na we're down to the last minute of this ball game and no good on that first attempt by the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights, but on that second attempt, may kasabayan na foul coming from Jolark Asibor, jersey number 3 of the USI Falcons, and isa pa, it's the 5th foul of Jolark Asibor. Grabe. Let's see if Asibor will be Asibor will still play for the USI Falcons. Ayun na nga, at jersey number 3 Jolark Asibor excluded na sa ating basketball game since he have these 5 fouls. And now it's jersey number 16 of the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights, Beltran, for his second attempt with 2-point lead of the Golden Knights. Let's see.
Now, Beltran, no good. 2 puntos lang ang hinahabol ng USI Falcons, and Asibor out of the court. Anong gagawin nila dito? And they get it. Now we are tied on 70 all with 41 seconds remaining. Now Ateneo still fighting here for this intense and close matchup. Fulgar with the ball. They need to have a tight defense sa side ng USI Falcons. Now Fulgar, what will he do now? 12 seconds to shoot. Now passes to Plaza. Down to 6. Heavily guarded. An attempt and Plaza gets it. Mapapatawag ng timeout ang USI Falcons. And let's see it one more time. Napakagandang puntos coming from Plaza, having a 2-point lead sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito si Coach Tupe para plansyahin yung mga huling segundo ng laro. Anong gagawin ng USI Falcons to snatch this game?
Ayun na nga, at let's see, since hindi rin malabo na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match for the first stretch of our OBL, Oragon Basketball League, since 2 puntos lamang yung lamang dito ng ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights, let's take a look once again din sa mga highlights ng ating game for the second half with Doloso. And this time, Doloso pa rin. Napakatunog ng pangalan ni Doloso on the second half.
And now Jasper, with that 19 seconds, napaka-importante para sa USI. Napaka-importante din for Ateneo. 70-72. What will happen now as Ateneo having that 2-point lead? But still, yung 19 seconds, napakahaba pang oras para magawan ng paraan ng USI Falcons. Isang 3. Ang daming possibilities, ang daming pwedeng mangyari sa side ng USI Falcons. At yung kailangan gawin ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights is a great defense. Talagang hindi dapat mabuwag ng USI Falcons if they really want to get this win this evening. Now back to the ball game here as USI having 14 seconds to shoot.
It's 19 seconds to shoot with 14 seconds on the shot clock. So let's see if what do the USA Falcons do. Now, jersey number 25 Del Rosario, and a steal coming from Mon Aureliano with a whistle. Cutting down to 7 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Grabe.
And now, Ateneo still having this great momentum. Mon Arellano having a high percentage on that free throw line. 70-72. Now let's see here for his first free throw if he can make sure that Ateneo can get this win. Now Arellano, first basket was good, and he just need one more point. 7 seconds. Let's see here.
Let's see if Aureliano can get it one more point for the fourth and final quarter with 7 seconds and 97 milliseconds remaining. Let's see, Mount Aureliano. Ito na nga ba yung hinihintay na bawi ng Ateneo de Naga? No good. Let's see if we can have an overtime match, but that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. Congratulations to the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights for having their first win this season. Grabe. Napakagandang laban po yung natunghayan namin. And of course, dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po ay makikilala natin ang best player of the game. Napakagandang aksyon. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandatata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandatata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi na.
A pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen, and this time, makikilala na natin ang best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng Safe Gasoline. Our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 55, Mon Aureliano, with 21 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 5 steal. Congratulations po sa pagkapanalo nyo this evening, and of course, to your team. Now, gusto ko lang po kayong matanong kung what was your team's preparation for securing the first win this season, and of course, ano po yung feeling na isa ka sa mga dahilan ng first win nyo po this season?
So, we focus lang po sa defensive side namin since yung alam namin yung USI is malakas yung threat nila sa labas. So, we focus on when and where to switch sa pagdepensa sa kanila. So, sa feeling naman po, grateful lang ako kasi first time namin, first game, nanalo kami. Yun, grateful lang kaming teammates ko and coaches.
Alright, so thank you. And of course, ano pa yung dapat naming abangan sa ADNU Naga Golden Knights since this is the first stretch pa lang ng ating Oragon Basketball League?
Magiging hunger lang po kami na manalo. Yun lang po.
And of course, I am giving you the floor to shoutout sa lahat ng sumuporta, kapamilya, barkada, relatives.
Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa kila Coach Jack, kila Coach Nuki, sa buong coaching staff po namin na sumuporta sa amin dito. And then sa mga teammates ko, sa family ko na nanonood, kay mama, yung dalawa kong mama, yung nasa abroad, tsaka yung nasa bahay sila ate, yung mga pinsan kong nanonood. Shoutout po sa inyo.
Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our best player of the game, jersey number 55, Mon Aureliano of the ADNU Naga Golden Knights, brought to you by Safe Gasoline. Maraming salamat po.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
At nakuha na nga po ng ADNU Golden Knights ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating first day of Oragon Basketball League. But still a great performance coming from USI FALCONS. And of course, meron pa po tayong last game na aabangan.
Well, once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Cristina Casa Reyes. Tutok lamang po kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Ang loto.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.